Hello guys, beginner's guide to learn basic China mini importation. You can't afford to miss this. As a beginner, are you a beginner who want to learn how to import goods from China but you don't know how? Just worry no more because in today's video I will be teaching you the basics on how to get started. Everything you need to know, everything to get you started on how to import goods from China. So without wasting much of the time, let's dive into it. But before that, I want you to subscribe to my channel, like, share this video, and you make sure you watch to the end because this video will be providing you everything you need and it will be full of value. So, and I need to let you know that there will be a series. This video will be in series, so in the next videos that I'll be doing, it will be in form of practical. So this is just the basics on what you need to know before you get started with it. Let's get straight into it. So welcome to the mini importation business class. I am glad to have you as part of my mini importation viewers. And you need to know that I am dedicated to provide you with valuable training and resources to help you succeed in your mini importation journey. But before we dive into this video, I would like to share you some important information with you. Firstly, you see, throughout this video series, I may share, or I'll use that as a bonus for you. I will share some contact information, for suppliers, manufacturers, or service provider to assist you in your mini importation business. However, please note that I do not endorse or guarantee the quality, reliability, or legitimacy of any external content shared. It is your responsibility to conduct your own due diligence and exercise caution when engaging in business transaction with anybody. You know, I will share them with you, though I've tested some and I haven't done business with some of these service provider, but I will share them with you, and it is your duty to do a due diligence to them, to know which one will work for you and the one that you won't like. So the second thing I would like to talk about is it's important to understand that individuals' results may vary. Your success in mini importation business depends on various factors, including your personal efforts, the market condition, the external circumstance. I cannot guarantee specific outcome or financial results as they depend on your own action and external factor beyond my control. So I can't just tell you that this is how much you will make and this is how easy it's going to be for you. It depends on how eager or how knowledgeable you are to go through this video that I will be sharing with you. So it depends. So I need to let you know again that I'm committed to your success and I'm here to support you throughout this mini importation video series. Please feel free to reach out to me in the comment section any question concerning this mini importation. My goal is to ensure you have a positive learning experience and gain the knowledge and skills necessary to succeed in this mini importation business. So let's get to it. This is the introduction of China importation business. Now, what is mini importation? Mini importation is a business practice that involves importing small or large quantity of goods from foreign countries and selling them in your local market. This practice has become increasingly popular in recent years. That's just thanks to the rise of online marketplace and the ease of international shipping. So, one of the main advantages of mini importation is that it allows entrepreneurs to access a wide range of products that may not be available locally by importing them to your country. You can offer your customers unique and quality products and competitive price. The good thing about this is that when I started, I when I started this mini importation, if I see some product like this, I'll be like, wow, is this is this even real? I've never thought I could see some of these products in my life. So these are the opportunities that China mini importation business will give you. You will see the product that will wow you, that you can't even find ever in your local market. So, however, mini importation also requires careful planning and execution to be successful. In this video series, I will provide you with everything you need to need about importing goods from China, including how to choose the right products, find reliable supplier, navigate custom, buy, you know, do everything that needs to be done to make your goods come to you. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or you are just starting out as a beginner, this video will be helpful to you to have success in mini importation. I hope you understand. So, the countries you can start to import mini importation, you can start your mini importation business. Some people do say you only China, but I will tell you today that it is more than that. So, when it comes to mini importation, choosing the right country to import from can be a critical to the success of your business. While China is a popular destination for many mini importers, there are other countries that also offer great opportunities more than even China. Now, some of the top countries to consider for mini importation includes Bangladesh, India, Turkey, Dubai, Vietnam, and US, UK. You see, you don't have to worry. This video series of mini importation will be a very valuable one, because I will go in depth on how you can do all this, on how you can import from all these countries all by yourself. Yes, all by yourself without needing any third party. So, these countries offer a variety of products at competitive price, and their manufacturing capability are constantly improving. In addition, they may have lower tariff and shipping costs than China, making them attractive option for entrepreneurs looking to keep their costs low. In fact, the thing is, some of these mini importers doesn't even know how to import goods from these other countries except China's. But if you are seeing this video now, just see yourself as a lucky man or a lucky woman, that because you will know how to do this, how to import these goods from as very cheap. Used products, used. Don't let me even go to details. All you just have to do is subscribe to my channel. You like it, you turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop this video, you will be the first person to get notice. Now, before choosing a country to import from, it's important to research the product and suppliers available in that country. as well as the regulations and logistics involved in shipping goods. By carefully evaluating your options, you can find the best country to start your mini importation business and achieve success. So, if you understand this, just put it in the comment section, say you understand. Now, let's get to it. What are the things you need to start mini importation business? There are some certain things you need to put in place before you even think of starting importation, before you even decide on, okay, I want to start this importation business. Now, starting importation business can be a lucrative venture, but it requires a careful planning and execution. Here are some of the things you need to get started. When I first started my mini importation, I I went through some black holes, you know, like I did some mistakes. So because I was just there on my own learning, so I did some mistake that it really cost me some good amount of money. But that is why it's good to have a business mentor. But you're lucky that you don't even need to get one, because this video will serve as a mentor for you all alone. So the first thing you need is business mentor. One of the most valuable resources for anyone starting a mini importation business is a business mentor. A mentor is an experienced entrepreneur who can provide guidance, advice, and support as you navigate the challenges of building a successful business. A mentor can help you avoid pitfalls and provide you with valuable insights that you can accelerate your learning curve. The good thing is you can worry no more, because I will be here for you as a mentor. I will make sure I am available at the comment section whenever you need help. Just put anything you need in the comment section. I will be there. I'm always there 247 to uh, answer the questions you need about this mini importation. The second thing you need before you get started is capital. Yes, some people do say you don't need capital to start. That's true though. But it's going to give you a stress, and this is not what we are looking for. We want a real business that you can build from scratch, not something that will give you stress, to give you headache. That's what they call pre-order. If you know what pre-order is, that's pre-order. But I won't talk about pre-order yet, because I'm going to talk it in my subsequent videos though. But today I just want you to know what you need to get started for a real business. Okay, so you need capital. You will need to invest some capital to purchase your first batch of products and cover other expenses such as shipping and custom fees. So those are the things you need capital for. So what you need again is a niche. What is a niche? It is important to identify a profitable niche that has a high demand in your local market. Conducting thorough market research will help you determine the best product to import. You know, you can't just go into the market and start importing any kind of good. You need to know what you focus on. If it's kitchen utensils, if it's sports, if it's shoes, if it's clothes, if it's wristwatches, if it's some other products that you think it's going to be valuable, going to be good for when you bring it to the local market, you need to specify. Okay, so the fourth thing you need to know is reliable supplier. Finding reliable suppliers who offer quality products at competitive price is essential to the success of your mini importation business. You can use online marketplaces such as Alibaba or other places that I will be showing you to find a potential suppliers. 1688, Pindodo, a lot of them. they are good suppliers out there, and I will show you how you can navigate them and how you can talk to them. Okay, so the fifth thing you need is shipping and logistics. You will need to work with a shipping and logistics company to transport your product from China to your local market. But you have to research different options and compare prices to find the best deal. Like I've said in the beginning, I will give you um, this service provider, this shipping and logistics company. I will give you. I have a lot of them here, so I will be sharing you with them. If you can just go to the comment section and say you have that you need, then I will give it to you. Or in my next video when I'm making practicals, I will show you how you can get them yourself, and also I will be giving out this shipping logistics for free. Okay, so by having these components in market in by having these components in place, you'll be well on your way to start a successful mini importation business. If you have everything that I just laid down, I'm sure that you are ready to start. So I think that's all for this video. If you find any value in it, please make sure you subscribe, you like, you comment, and you share, so that a lot of people will also benefit from it. And make sure that this is going to be these videos are going to be in series, so make sure you turn on the notification bell also, so that whenever I drop the next video on how to navigate all this practically, you will be first to notice. So have a nice day and take good care of yourself.